Hi guys, it's Josh here with another tutorial about some of the combat physics in Dark Age of Camelot. I went ahead and this is a PvE only test because in the New Frontiers and the RVR zones, there are times where you're going to face multiple players, so the combat physics are going to apply. But since everybody's level 50, it's not going to be relevant which person you target. Whereas in PvE, it actually does make a difference, and I'm going to go ahead and try to show that. The dungeon I chose is Tersul, or however it's pronounced, located in High Brazil, south of the Grovet of Alid Fee, or however that's pronounced. The reason I chose it is I like to farm this area for perfected armor patterns. And you'll notice right now I have blue and yellow mobs because I want to make sure I survive this test, because I am going to start out with just one enemy, but then I'm going to run through and pick up a few more. These enemies are extremely aggressive because I kill them regularly, so I have almost zero faction with them. All right. So what happens is with your defensive capabilities, if you pull only one enemy, and I'm going to do that now using my Minor Kinetic Blast champ level ability. Now you'll see I pulled a blue. I'm going to back up so I don't pull any more. And I'm going to let him attack me for a little bit here. And I'm not going to attack. Okay. All right, so right there you can see he has not landed a blow yet. He will eventually. As soon as I move forward and he gets behind me, he'll start landing blows automatically. But the reason I'm not going to wait for him is, I only have so much space on my phone for recording these videos, obviously. And I'm not going to try and take too much of your time with this. To give you a quick explanation, what happens is when you have multiple enemies on you, your defensive percentages are actually reduced by the amount of enemies that are on you. So the more enemies you pull, the lower your defensive capabilities are going to be until you start killing them and dwindling their numbers back down to 1. So as you can see, I'm going to move through. I'm going to go ahead and grab a couple yellows here. All right, they snared me. All right. So now I've got like 5 enemies on me. They've stunned me. All right. Okay. All right, so see it, I didn't even last 10 seconds. I've already taken at least 1 hit. There's another. So as you can see, I'm actually taking a little bit more damage. Now here's the trick. If you're power leveling or farming these dungeons in PvE or even in the Labyrinth or Passage of Conflict in the New Frontiers. All right, so what you actually want to do is take the lowest level enemy mobs and kill them first. Since the defensive penalties are applied by the amount of enemies that are on you, not necessarily their level, in addition to their level, could have the effect. Killing the lowest level enemies first increases your chances of survival because it reduces the total number of enemies on you. All right, so there's one. All right, Right, and I mean, as you can see, only killing one has already made a difference. I'm already taking longer to be hit. And these are all yellow mobs, which means they should have a higher opportunity to hit me. And this works for any level of mobs, all the way up to purple. If you're pulling reds and purples, and you got 2 or 3 of them on you, and you're getting, you know, you're gonna be in some trouble there. Even I struggle with that. Start taking out the reds first. The sooner you get them down to 0 enemies, the sooner your defense penalties are removed and your defenses return to normal. As always, guys, if you have any questions in game, feel free to hit me up. And take care. Thanks for watching.